Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to join a Snapchat community. All right. Start by opening your Snapchat app. Now, once it's opened, just go ahead and go to the top left and tap on your profile. All right. Tap on it. In here, you're going to want to scroll down until you find the section called communities. All right. And as you can see here, there's only one community that is available, and it is a school. As you can see here, meet new friends and view your community story. Now to join or select a school, just go ahead and tap Add School. Tap on it, and as you can see here, you can just go ahead and tap on Add University right here. Tap on it. Now in here, you can either go ahead and scroll down to these options right here. If your school isn't listed right here, just go ahead and use the search or the search function. Tap on the search function and type in your university. For example, you wanted to find Harvard, just type in Harvard. Once done, use the search button right here on your keyboard. All right, since we can see Harvard right here, just go ahead and tap on Harvard. Now, as you can see here, when will you graduate? It can be 2028 or 2021. Now, this will help to match with your classmates. Communities are not affiliated with or managed by universities. Snapchat does not verify whether members are students of the university. Other members of your university community can see your university name on your profile. All right, let's say, for example, I'm in 2021, then hit on next. You can see here, enter your official student email to join Harvard University 2021. Just go ahead and follow these simple instructions right here. All right, and you'll be good to go. Another way, for example, you don't see your school right here. When you try to search your institution, you won't be able to see it. Now, you might be the one who might want to add the university itself. For example, just scroll down until you find the section right here, submit school or university. All right, tap on it, find my institution, and again, submit school. For example, 2021 again, hit next. Tell us more about your school so that we can create a community for it. For example, here, full university name, shortened university name. This would be MSU. All right, and enter your official student email to find your school. All right, just go ahead and put your student email right here, as you will need access to this email so that you can receive a verification link. Verifying your email address makes it easier for you and your friends to find each other on Snapchat and more. Again, go ahead and put your student email right here, and once done, just tap on next, and the added university will be on the search list right here, exactly right here. When you type on the for example, MSU, then you'll be able to find MSU right here. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.